Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create customer or vendor details on Wave app from Google Sheets automatically. So the idea here is that whenever we add the customer details into the Google Sheets, automatically the same customer should be added into the Wave account also. But here the question is that how to do this, because there is no direct integration or connection between Google Sheets and Wave. So for establishing a connection between Google Sheets and Wave, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Sheets with Wave automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software very easily. Here we are using two software applications. One is Google Sheet, that is a spreadsheet program where we can create and share the spreadsheets, whereas Wave is an online accounting software. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Google Sheet named Add Details to Wave, and this is my Wave account. So now I want that whenever I enter the details of any new customer over here in my Google Sheet, automatically using those details, a new customer should be added over here in my Wave account also. So I'll just add the details. Let's give the name as Avi, last name as Gupta, email address as avigupta22@gmail.com. Let's give the mobile number over here. Let's give the address as E3 234 Arera Colony, 10 number stop, city as Bhopal, country as India, and postal code as 462022. Okay, so we have given the details of the customer. Now let us go to the Wave account and let us refresh it. And here I'll just find the same customer named Avi Gupta. So here we can see Avi Gupta is added over here. So here you might be wondering that I just fill the details of any of the new customer here in my Google Sheet, and automatically the same customer is added in my Wave account also over here. So how did I manage to do this? How did I manage to add a new customer automatically over here? So let me tell you. First, I have created an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. After that, Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of this particular customer, and using those details, a new customer is added here in the Wave account also. So in this way, we are going to learn how we can create an integration between Google Sheets and Wave using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly Pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. So for creating a new workflow, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a workflow name. So I have given the workflow name as Create Customer or Vendor Details on Wave app from Google Sheets. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever we create a customer or vendor details in our Google Sheet, automatically the same details should be added into the Wave account also. So here in the trigger window, let us select the application name as Google Sheets. In the trigger event, we have to select new or updated spreadsheet row. Here we can see a webhook URL. So we are going to simply create an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect using this webhook URL. So I have already created a Google Sheet over here. So the Google Sheet name is Add Details to Wave. Here you can see I have already added the details of a customer. First name Shikha, last name Arya, email address as shikhaarya23@gmail.com. I have given the mobile number. I have added the address over here. City as Bhopal, country as India, and the postal code. Okay. So now for creating an integration with Pabbly Connect, we have to go to extensions, click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. Now it has taken us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here in the apps section, we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Here you can see Pabbly Connect Webhooks is already installed on my system. So you have to install Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system. Okay. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh this Google Sheet. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Once the Google Sheet is refreshed, again go to extensions and come to Pabbly Connect Webhooks this time and click on Initial Setup. Now here we can see webhook URL is required and trigger column. So here the same webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect is required. So we are going to simply copy this webhook URL from here. We will go back to Google Sheet and we are going to paste the same webhook URL over here. Now the trigger column is required. Let us read the instructions. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So in my case, you can see that I have the data in column A and the last column is column H. I have the data till column H. So here I want the trigger column as column H because I want the data to be captured till column H. For example, you have the data till column E and you want the data to be captured till column E. So you have to give your trigger column as column E over here. Okay. And now let us click on Send Test. So here we can see test data sent successfully. Okay. Now let us click on Submit. Now again we have to go to extensions, come to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and this time click on Send on Event. So why we are selecting Send on Event option? Just because next time whenever a new entry or a new record is added to this particular sheet, Pabbly Connect is going to automatically capture the details of the customer. We don't have to link the data or the record again and again. Okay. So make sure you have a tick mark on Send on Event option. Okay. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer which we have filled in the Google Sheet are captured over here. First name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address, mobile number, address, city as Bhopal, country as India, postal code, spreadsheet name, sheet name and all other details also. Now we want the same details of the customer should be added into the Wave account also. So let us come to this action window and here in the application name, we are going to select the application name as Wave. In the action event, we have to select Create a Customer. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Wave. Pabbly Connect wants to access Wave just because I'm already logged into my Wave account. So here let us scroll down and I'll just click on Allow Access just because the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Wave account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see that the business name is automatically captured just because we have created the connection. Now we have to select the customer or business name. So we have already got the customer details from the Google Sheet over here. So we are going to map these details now. So let us map the customer name or the business name. So I'll go to Google Sheets and from here I'll just map the first name and I'll give a space. After that I'll map the last name. Okay. Now here again the first name is required. So let us map it from Google Sheets once again and the first name is Shikha. Here the last name is required. Let us map it from Google Sheets once again. Last name is Arya. Email address, Google Sheets and this was the email address. Here the mobile number is required. So this was the mobile number. So here the phone is required. So we don't have any columns of phone in the Google Sheet. So I'm just leaving it as blank. Even the toll-free number also. We don't have the fax number. We don't have website, currency. Okay, here we have to map the address. We have the address of the customer. Let us map the address. This one. Okay. Address line 2 we don't have. We have the city. Let us map the city. Okay, city as Bhopal. Province, we don't have the province. Country, we have added India, but here we can see enter the country code, example CA. So we have to enter the country code over here. So we are not going to add the country over here, and let's add the postal code from Google Sheets, and the postal code is this one. And now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. Now let us check the Wave account. So this is my Wave dashboard. Here I'll just go to the sales option, and from here we can find customers, and here I'll just search the customer, that is Shikha. Okay, here we can see Shikha Arya is added as a new customer over here. Now let us check this in the real time. Okay, for that again we are going to this Google Sheet, and let us add the name of any of the new customer. Let's give the name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Okay, and let's give the mobile number over here. Let's give the address as SP15 Industown, New Market, Bhopal. Let's give the city as Bhopal, country as India, pin code 462056. Okay. Now let us check the Wave account. I'll refresh this account, and here let us search Adam Smith, and here we can see Adam Smith is added over here. So let us move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now let us just minimize all these windows and see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So I'll minimize Wave as well as I'll minimize this Google Sheet. So first we have created an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect using a webhook URL. After that, Pabbly Connect has captured all the customer details, and using those customer details, a new customer is created into the Wave account also. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Sheets and Wave using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.